Hello everyone, welcome back to SPECTRACS. Now let us see the program number 2. Here, it is asking us to get the input from the user, which is about 20, and if we have to check if the number is divisible by 3, 7, or 3 and 7. So if it is divisible by 3, it should print tipsy. If it is divisible by 7, it is topsy. If it is 3 and 7, it is tipsy topsy. So let's see how this works. So first let us get a number which is greater than 20. So number equal to enter the number about 20. Let us give for I in range. We'll start from 11 because it is saying about like 2 digits, right? So yeah, we start from 11 and no less 1. Now we have to check if we have to check each and every number, right? So if I is modulus divided by 3 and equal to 0, and I modulus 7 equal to 0, then we have to print I comma tipsy topsy. Now for ELIF part, so we'll see I only divisible by 3 equal to 0, then print I comma tipsy divisible by 7 equal to 0, print I comma topsy. So here what we can do is you can skip the else part, or if you want to write the else part, you can just say that it is not divisible by 3 and 7. Okay, let's see how this works. So let me say 34. So for each and every number, even it is divisible by 3 or 7, then it shows the respective number, and if it is respectable by 3, it's tipsy. If it is divisible by 7, it is topsy.